Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device type and backing up any photos you need. That prevents accidental loss. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings, then tap Apps or App Management to list installed apps. Make sure you have admin or owner access because those permissions let you modify system apps. If the camera app is bundled, note whether uninstall or disable is available. This determines your next steps. Proceed to search for camera in the apps list and select it now. You'll now decide between uninstalling and disabling. Press the camera app entry and choose uninstall if permitted, which removes the app and frees space. If uninstall is grayed out, pick disable to stop it from running and hide it from the launcher. Use force stop to immediately halt processes. For tech-savvy users, enabling developer options and using ADB provides deeper removal, but that requires a PC and USB debugging. Only do this if you understand the. Finish by rebooting your device to apply changes and ensure the camera is inactive. Make sure to check other apps that use the camera permission and grant alternatives if needed. If you change your mind, you can reinstall from the App Store or re-enable the system app in settings. If issues appear, like persistent camera prompts, clear the camera app's cache and data, and if that fails, use ADB removal or consult support. Those steps resolve most stubborn or residual problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.